दीपक के प्रकाश के साथ हम अपने तत्वों का सफर शुरू करते हैं। इस रोशनी की छांव में हम अपने जीवन के अलग अलग तत्वों को महसूस करेंगे और हर तत्व से जुड़े संदेश को अपनाएंगे। आज की हमारी प्रस्तुति सिर्फ कार्यक्रमों की कतार नहीं बल्कि तत्वों की यात्रा है, एक तत्व से दूसरे तत्व तक, एक अर्थ से दूसरे अर्थ तक।
Let our journey begin with devotion, the first connection between humans and divine. As we know, every new beginning starts with the blessings of Almighty. Let us now surrender ourselves to the divine grace and seek blessings for today's celebration.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me, and I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can't stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Let's go.
children, your performance was grounded, soulful, and rich in culture. A performance that showcased the strength and beauty of our roots.
Now I call our head boy Utkarsh and head girl Vachika to deliver the welcome speech.
When fire dares,
When art stands firm,
when water flows fearless,
when air whispers hope,
and when sky opens its arms.
a moment is born that is larger than life.
Tonight, that moment is here. A very warm and divine evening to one and all present here. Welcome to the grandest evening of the year. First and foremost, I take this opportunity to welcome our honorable chief guest, Shri Kamlesh Kumar, Ordnance Factory's Executive Director. Our guest of honor, Reverend Father James Manampuram, General Manager of all Mount Carmel Schools. Our guiding light, our director, Reverend Father Thomas Chakungal OCD, our ever-inspiring principal, Sister Lalita Kujur, all the dignitaries, respected fathers, sisters from various committees and schools, dedicated teachers, loving parents, and my dear fellow students. It fills my heart with immense joy and gratitude as we welcome each one of you to our most awaited celebration, the annual function of Mount Carmel Senior Secondary School Muradnagar, named Tattva, the fabric of existence.
Today, this stage becomes more than a stage. It becomes the universe itself, where the five great elements, Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, and Akash come alive through our art, music, dance, and drama. Each performance you'll witness tonight is not just entertainment, it's a journey into the essence that defines us, connects us, and elevates us. Tattva teaches us that every being, every thought, and every dream is born from balance. Balance of passion and peace, knowledge and kindness, purpose and purity.
And to grace this evening of elements, we have amidst us a personality who embodies every tattva of success and humanity. Our honorable chief guest, Shri Kamlesh Kumar, Executive Director of Ordnance Factory Muradnagar. He was appointed to the UPSC Civil Services in August 1997 and allotted Indian Ordnance Factory Services cadre as Associate Works Manager. He completed 2 years training at National Academy of Defence Production at Nagpur. After training, he served as Capacity Officer of Administration, Purchase, Maintenance, Production, etc. in different ordnance factories all over the country. Presently, he is serving as the first Executive Director in Ordnance Factory Muradnagar. Sir, your presence is like the Agni that ignites motivation, like Vayu that carries inspiration, and like the Akash that gives us the vastness to dream beyond boundaries. We welcome you with deep respect and heartfelt gratitude. May I now request our respected director, Reverend Father Thomas Chakungal OCD, to present a sapling as a heartfelt gesture that holds love, respect, and warmth of welcome to our chief guest. Sir, please accept this humble plant. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father. We are privileged to have welcome Srimati Hina Gupta. She is none other than the wife of our honorable chief guest, Shri Kamlesh Kumar, an epitome of elegance and inspiration. She studied at Basantali Vidyapeeth, postgraduate in clothing and textile, and in present, she is the president of Yantra Women Welfare Association, Ordnance Factory Muradnagar. Ma'am, your presence is like the living example of women empowerment, and your presence makes this occasion even more memorable. We welcome you with heartfelt gratitude. May I now request our respected principal, Sister Lalita Kujur, to welcome Srimati Hina Gupta with a shawl and a sapling. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sister.
Reverend Father James Manampuram is a distinguished educationist and an inspiring leader who has served as principal in several renowned Mount Carmel schools, including Una, Palambur, Hoshiarpur, and many others. His dedicated service and visionary leadership have left a remarkable impact wherever he has worked. He has been a valued member of the governing body and has served as provincial councillor 4 times, a testament to the trust, respect, and responsibilities placed upon him within the congregation. Presently, he serves as the general manager of all Mount Carmel schools and the provincial of the OCD Delhi province, guiding numerous institutions with clarity, foresight, and deep commitment. A man of high thinking, humble nature, and dynamic presence, Reverend Father James Manampuram is also an exceptional orator, equipped with the ability to communicate fluently in several foreign languages. He brings a global outlook to every role he undertakes. His wisdom, eloquence, and administrative excellence continue to inspire both students and educators alike. May I now request our respected director, Reverend Father Thomas Chakungal, OCD, to present the sapling as a heartfelt gesture that holds love, respect, and warmth of welcome. Father, please accept this humble plant. Thank you, Father.
May I now request our staff secretaries, Mr. Vikas Sharma, Ms. Ashwati Bila, our cultural secretaries, Mrs. Preeti Kaushik, Mrs. Sandhya Tyagi, to welcome all the dignitaries with shawl and rosebud. Thank you.
We are equally honored to have our director, Reverend Father Thomas Chakungal, OCD, whose vision is like the guiding compass for our institution. Father, you are the Prithvi Tattva, the steady ground upon which our school stands tall, nurturing every seed of potential into flourishing tree of achievement. Your faith and direction gives us roots of confidence and wings of courage.
And our principal, Sister Lalita Kuju, the soul of this temple of learning. You are the Jal Tattva, the flowing force of wisdom and creativity who quenches every student's thirst for knowledge. Your calm leadership and gentle strength inspire us to evolve each day with grace and purpose. We are truly blessed under your nurturing guidance.
To our beloved teachers, you are the Agni Tattva, the flame that enlightens the path of every learner. Through your passion and patience, you transform raw material into shining brilliance. You teach us not just to score marks, but to make a mark in life. Your presence in our life is sacred and everlasting.
And to our ever-supportive parents, you are the Vayu Tattva, invisible yet always around us, fueling our dreams, filling our sails with love, values, and care. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and belief in us gives us strength to rise higher each day. We thank you for being the wind beneath our wings.
And finally, to my dear friends and fellow students, we are the Akash Tattva, the sky of infinite possibilities. Within each of us lies the spark of every element, the steadiness of earth, the energy of fire, the movement of air, the depth of water, and the vastness of space. Let us embrace our inner tattva and shine together in harmony and purpose.
हर तत्व से मिलकर बनता है जीवन, हर जीवन में छुपा है एक तत्व.
So as the evening unfolds, let us celebrate this symphony of elements where knowledge meets art, energy meets peace, and every soul connects with its true essence, the Tattva.
Once again, we welcome our chief guest of honor, Reverend Director, respected principal, beloved teachers, loving parents, and ever-shining student to this evening of joy, learning, and enlightenment.
Let us open our hearts to joy, our minds to applause, and our hands to inspiration.
As the stage comes alive with colors, rhythm, and spirit, once again, a warm welcome to one and all present here.
Let us begin this evening of celebration, reflection, and inspiration
with open hearts and smiling faces. Welcome to Tattva, the fabric of existence. Thank you.